Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you so much for joining me with this video of Boxy Charm. I'm so glad to see this. I could not wait. I am so impatient when it comes to Boxy Charm. It's crazy. It's crazy. So anyway, I hope today finds you guys in a really good place. I hope that you're trying to stay dry, because here in upstate New York it is downpouring every 5 seconds and we have flood warnings, and I'm just glad it's not snow, because we'd probably have 8 feet of snow with the amount of rain that we've gotten today. So anyway, now that we got that out of the way, let's get into this box. I didn't even untape it yet. I did just get it today, so I'm very happy that I finally got it. Oh, come on. All right, I got it open. I'm so excited. We're gonna see it at the same time. Now, if you don't know about Boxy Charm, it is a makeup subscription box. Monthly, $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 items in your box. For $21 a month, I'll leave my link down below so you guys can jump on that deal. Next month, they're gonna have a box, and it's called Boxy Luxe, which has a lot more in it. It does cost a little bit more, and I've heard so many different prices and variations and this, that, and the other. I don't know how much it is, but anyway, enough of that. Let's get into this. There we go. Oh, more eyelashes. I was hoping I would get the other variation, but let's make the best out of this box. So you get, my box opener wouldn't move. You get, this is a pamphlet, and this tells you everything you need to know about everything in this box. And it comes like that, and this month's theme is Live It Up. Okay, we can live it up. Let's live it up in this video. I'm ready to do this. First, we're gonna pull out the eyelashes that we saw in the beginning. I honestly won't wear these. No. They would definitely hit my glasses and probably knock them off the size of these things, but let's see what they are. House of Lashes. These lashes add length and dimension. I would say so, because they're pretty long, to your makeup look with your new favorite lashes. Cruelty-free, high quality, and long-lasting. These lashes provide up to 15 wears and will be the talk of every party. And these retail from $9 to $12. So I'll bring them up closer so you can see what I'm talking about. I could not wear those. At my age, I don't think that I should wear lashes like these. You guys, let me know. I mean, I am approaching 50, and I don't think that I should be wearing lashes like this. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on this. And do you wear false lashes? I do wear false lashes, but normal false lashes. To me, these would kind of be maybe for Halloween. I don't know. They're just not for me. I don't think that they're age appropriate for someone my age. Now, maybe my daughter, or dare I say even my granddaughter, I think that they would look very lovely in these, but I think that I would look like a middle-aged woman trying to be 20. That's just my thoughts. It doesn't mean anything if you guys wear the lashes. I'm very happy that you can wear them, but I don't think that I personally can pull it off. So let's move on to the next thing, and we are going to bring out, this is Bang Beauty. And let me see if I can find that. Bang Beauty chocolate eyeliner. Use it as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even to touch up your brows. Wow, that is awesome. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple threat. $22. This is $22. Wow. I am excited for this. I wonder how that will, my lid was off, but I wonder how that will look. I mean, because I do have almost the same color eyebrows, so I wonder how that will look. I'm gonna swatch this because I'm going to keep this. Oh wow. Yeah, I think you would have to, it's right there. I think you would have to build it up a little bit for eyeshadow, because the more I rub it, it kind of stays. We'll see if it dries by the end of the video. See how it dries out, if it dries out. But that's really nice. I like that. I'm excited to try certain things. I probably will not use it as an eyeliner, but I will use it as an eyeshadow, or maybe even on my brows, because I have like a naked forest. Some, you know, the forest, some of the trees are gone on, you know, up here. Yeah. And it's funny, I always go to the nail salon and they're like, you want me to touch up your eyebrows? What is there to touch up? They're half naked. What are you talking about? I think they just want the money. You know how that goes. Anyway, let's get to the next thing, and this is Smashbox Assorted Lip Products. Oh, cool. Be Legendary Lipstick. And what color is this? Straight Up. So this is great, bold, beautiful looks with your new Smashbox lip product. This pigment loaded colors glides on in just one swipe, getting you out the door and into the party quicker. Shades and finishes may vary, and this could be between $21 and $24. Cool. I like that. I like this color. I really think I'm gonna like this color. If I can get it out of the box, we will be doing okay. This has a studio tip. Dot on lipstick with your finger for a lip stain effect. That's on the little lid right here. So let's see. I was kind of hoping I was going to get that ombre one, but there's the color. I do like that color. Let's see. We're going to put some on here. So that's a nice color. I like that. That is beautiful. Let's see. I wonder how that's gonna dry. It says it's matte, so I do like the matte. I'm not one for, I like lip gloss, but I try to find them in a matte finish. I just don't like the, you know, glossy, your lips sliding on. Yeah, you guys know what I mean. Okay, we have something by Adesi, Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials, Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. I will not be keeping this. I go to the nail salon to get my nails done, so treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. I don't go out either. Go figure. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. And this is valued at $18. I will open the box, but I will not open the oil itself because I will not be keeping this. This is going in my 1,500 subscriber giveaway, which hopefully we reach soon. There it is. It's kind of hard to see through, you know, a clear bottle, but it just looks just like nail polish, but it's an oil. I wonder what it smells like. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, I can smell the almond in there. So that's going in my 1,500 subscriber giveaway as well. So we have, I'm 2 for 2. 2 going in a giveaway, 2 I'm keeping. Okay. Okay, and then we have Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask, and you get 3 of those. There's those 3. Let's see here. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic, I really can say that word, hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extracts and lavender oil cool and soothe your under eye area. And these are $13 for the 3 of them. So that's cool. That's cool. I may or may not keep these. I had eye masks, and every time I put them on, they just like go, they slide right down my face. So, although I could try what Just Ann said on her channel, put the eye mask on and then put a face mask over it, and it would hold the eye mask in place. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try that. I'll try one of them and then put the other one, put one in a giveaway and keep the other 2. Okay, we are at the final product in this box. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sometimes you do get 6, although I think the eye masks were kind of like a bonus kind of item. But this last one is a Laura Lee Los Angeles eye palette. Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Dare to be the life of the party with Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night of fun. And this is $19, and I am, please, let this be the neutral color palette, because from what I understand, you can either get the really, really bright neon one, or you can get the neutral. And I'm a neutral girl, so I need, I mean, look at my shirt, it's black. I need the neutral palette. Let's find out together. Oh, poop. Oh, I so wanted a neutral palette. You know, I have gotten, you get a palette almost every box. I want to say 99% of the time, you're going to get a palette, be it small like this, or a bigger palette. This, again, will go in the giveaway. I'm sad. I will be glad when you can fill out just a teeny tiny beauty profile on BoxyCharm, because I really feel like, I'm sorry, somebody my age, I should not be wearing neon yellow or this. Well, maybe this, not that. I would probably wear those 2, that one and that one. Or I wouldn't wear this one or this one. I just wouldn't. I wouldn't wear them. But this one is, the name is Issa Party. Issa, I-S-S-A, Issa Party. Damage Control. That color there is Damage Control. Here, let me take this off for a second so you guys don't get flashed. So this one is Issa Party, Damage Control, Karaoke, Hungover. Yeah, that definitely looks like how I would feel if I was hungover. And this one is, it's coming off pink to you guys, but it is a coral color and it's bottoms up. And then this one is Drinks. So, you guys let me know, what do you think? I mean, I know I'm constantly saying that I'm almost 50. I wouldn't dare wear those colors. I just think that they're too much, too in your face, you know. And like I said, I like more browns and corals and pinks, not neon pink or shock you in your face pink. I don't even wear clothes that are that bright. So I'm afraid of this palette. That's what I should say. I am terrified of this palette. This palette, that terrifies me. It terrifies me to no end. It is so just bright and bold. They're beautiful, don't get me wrong. They are beautiful colors, and if I was probably 20 years younger, I would probably rock those colors. But I am not 20 years younger. My grandkids would probably say, what in the heck's wrong with you, Grandma? Why are you wearing them colors? What's wrong with you? They may comment below and say, go ahead, Grandma, but no. Sorry, grandbabies, but it's not happening. Anyway, that's it for my Boxy charm. Like I said, if you want to get your own Boxy charm, I'll leave the link below and you can go ahead and get yourself one. And if you like these colors, this is the box you will probably get. Everybody gets this palette. From what I understand, everybody got the palette. And then the others are, there's more so a variation of the lipstick and a variation of this and the oil I think everybody gets, and the iPad things. So I think everybody gets those too. But $21 a month for all of the items that are in this box is an awesome deal. It really is a very good deal. I mean, Smashbox. You get Smashbox and a Desi and Bang Beauty. It's pretty nice stuff for $21 a month, right? I do wish they would quit sending me eyelashes though. Maybe I can put that in my beauty thing and tell them no more eyelashes. But there's the falling over contents of my box, and I think that that is well worth the $21. So go ahead and click my link below and get yourself a Boxy charm box. You will not be disappointed. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. These are, that is, see, you hear that? That is another flash flood warning. Sorry about the loud noise, but it is an emergency notification and I didn't expect that. So, okay, now that I've gone totally off track and I'm sorry for the long video, smash that subscribe button right now. Pause the video, get down there, smash the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video because I really feel like us girls got to stick together and make sure that we get ourselves a Boxy charm in our life. Okay guys, that's it for me. I gotta go do dishes and clean the house and cook dinner and just, I don't know. I'd rather stay here and hang out with you guys. I really would. But a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do. All right, y'all. Don't forget to check out the 1,500 subscriber giveaway video. Make sure that you're in there. And we only have 18 more people to go before I do an 1,100 subscriber sweet but small giveaway. All right, bye y'all. Hey, I forgot to tell you, the lipstick, perfect. It is not wet, it is not sticky, it is not clumping, and it is not smudging. Perfect. This is a little damp that was on my hand, and the eyeliner, completely dry. It is not moving. I just thought I would pop back on and let you know because I know I forgot to do that. So don't forget, tap the subscribe button.